Eric Bodley again for Kordz. We're going to talk about R.3, which is the rack builder's dream. So one of the number one things when you're putting together signal connectivity in a rack is you have to worry about interference. And racks have lots of it. Power supplies, fans, even DVD players emit gobs of RFI and EMI. The Kordz R.3 series, fully shielded, 90% braided shield, all aluminum head shell, and a solid one-piece zinc casting. So it actually fits incredibly snug. We don't need to do locking or other gripping techniques when you build it within a couple of microns of the spec. But the most beautiful thing is the lengths they come in. They come in US lengths of 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 feet. Why is that important? Because when you're managing dozens of cables in a rack, having to coil up and manage an extra half meter or meter of cable makes the rack wire management horrible. R.3, they're also DPL Labs certified 4K 6444 performance. R.3 series, rack optimized HDMI, certified at 4K from Kordz, where connectivity is assured.